projection formula in coordinate geometry. Let's start. A with coordinates x1, y1, and another point is there, that is B with its coordinates x2 and y2. And suppose P is any other point which divides this AB in the ratio m1 is to m2, and the coordinates of P be x and y. So how can we find out the coordinates of the point which divides a given line segment in the ratio m1 is to m2? Suppose the first point has x1 and y1 as its coordinates, and the other point has x2 and y2 as its coordinate. How to find out the coordinates of the point that divides the line segment joining these 2 points in the ratio m1 is to m2? So there is the formula. Remember, x means the coordinate of this point. X coordinate is equal to m1 x2 m1 x2 plus m2 x1 m2 x1 m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. And y coordinate, how to get? This y coordinate can be obtained by doing m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2. Suppose this P is not dividing in the ratio m1 is to m2. It is suppose dividing in the ratio 1 is to 1. Means if it is the midpoint of A and B, means AB line segment, and A and B are joined and P is the midpoint of AB, in that case what shall we do? In that case the x coordinate of P can be found out by doing what? Because it divides both the parts divides the line segment in the ratio 1 is to 1. So in that case m1 and m2 both are 1. That's why you want to multiply m1 x2 and m2 x1 and then divide m1 plus m2. Like that you don't need to do. You need to find out the x coordinate simply. X coordinate of the midpoint of a line segment just by adding x1 plus x2. x1 plus x2 means its x coordinate plus the x coordinate of B divided by 2. And how to get the y coordinate? y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Hope you understood this.